Happens every spring, I hear this bluebird sing. Love is here again to stay. But now that I've seen you, I know this time it's true. Love is really here to stay. Blue eyes look my way, make today my lucky day. Blue eyes looking at me, hope you're liking what you see. Hope you're liking what you see. Nobody ever saw this deep, deep blue before. Bluebirds look up in surprise. The sky admits defeat. The sea will kiss your feet. I could drown those blue eyes. Blue eyes shining down. Everything is right somehow. Blue eyes, stay here with me. Find my boat in those blue eyes. Find my boat in those blue eyes. It happens every spring, I hear this bluebird sing. Love is here again to stay. But now that I've seen you, I know this time it's true. Love is really here to stay. Blue eyes shining down. Everything is right somehow. Blue eyes, stay here with me. Find the world in those blue eyes. Find the world in those blue eyes. Well, how do they pluckers? Other saw things again with you with hopefully another interesting ditty from way back when. This is another song from Don Partridge, the busker with the drum on his back and cymbals, etc. All foot controlled and elbows and stuff. Very clever. So it's a song called Blue Eyes, okay? So another big hit for him in the UK anyway, okay? So standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret. This is taken from a version he did on Top of the Pops, okay? Same key, a key of E flat. Right then, boys and girls, let me hopefully show you what I was playing there. So just a quick point to start with. On the chords, it's basically simple chords, but I might confuse you because of the way I'm playing them. Okay, so obviously a standard C chord. Sometimes you'll see me playing it like this. Sometimes like that, standard, and sometimes I play C with G in the bass. It's the same C chord, it is a C chord, but all that happens is this 3rd finger goes up to the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and my pinky takes over on the 5th string, 3rd fret. So that way I can play all 6 strings, okay? But it's still a C chord, so you don't have to do that, you can just play a standard C. And similarly on the F chord, you'll see me play this standard F chord, but I play, generally speaking, like this, okay? It's an F chord, but it's got C in the bass, okay? So it's standard F chord. Again, this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string in this case, 3rd fret, and my pinky takes over on the 4th string, 3rd fret. That way I can play 5 downwards, okay? If you want to play an F chord, if you want to play an F chord, if you want to play a bar chord, please do. There's nothing to stop you playing a bar chord or a simple F. Whichever F you like, okay, or can manage. So that's just a quick pointer on the C and the F in this song, okay. So the introduction is this, and now obviously on the record he's playing a kazoo and sometimes a mouth organ, okay. But so I'm trying to mimic them because I haven't got either and I don't play either, okay. So the intro, the way I'll do it. And that's the intro. It's also played between choruses and verses throughout the song, and also as an outro. So you play this quite a few times in the song, okay? So all it is, it's C to F, it's back to C, C, F, C, G, F. Quick change there. C, G. Sorry, C, G, C. Sorry, C, G, C. So C, da 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 da, F, da da da, C, da 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 da, again, da 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 da, F, da da da, C, G, C. Got that? Once again then, slowly. Bit of a pause, and then we're into the song. It happens every spring, I hear bluebirds sing. Love is here again to stay. Right, so that's the first line of the verse. There are 2 lines in each verse, and they basically play exactly the same. So that's C, it happens C, every spring is G, spring I hear this, A minor, bluebird sing is A minor with G in the bass. And all you do for this is a standard A minor, you play, take off your 3rd finger, leave the other 2 where they are, and move it up to the bottom E string, 3rd fret. Okay? It's like A minor 7th or with G in the bass, or A minor with G in the bass. Okay? So the first bit is like, it happens C, every G, spring, A minor with G in the bass, F, love is here again to G, stay. I repeat the whole thing, but now that I've seen you, I know this time it's true. Love is really here to stay. Okay, so that's your verse, okay, and all the verses play exactly the same way with different words, okay. So right from the beginning, we'll do the intro and the first verse, okay, here we slowly. It happens every spring, I hear this bluebird sing. Love is here again to stay. But now that I've seen you, I know it's time, it's true. Love is really here to stay. Right, now we're going into the chorus, right? And it's like C to F, blue eyes, back to C, look my A minor way. So that's C, F, C, A minor, okay? Blue eyes, C, A to A minor way, F, make today my G, lucky day. Again, C to F eyes, C to A minor, looking at the F, hoping you're liking C, what you see. Again F, hope you're liking C, what you see. Intro. And then off to the next verse and the next chorus. Okay, you got the idea. It's that simple. So once you've got a verse and a chorus under your belt and the intro, you can play the whole song. Just repeats more the same with different words. Okay, so we'll go right from the intro, first verse, first chorus, and then the intro again, and you've got everything you need. Okay, very slowly then, here we go. It happens every spring, I hear this bluebird sing. Love is here again to stay. But now that I've seen you, I know it's time, it's true. Love is really here to stay. Blue eyes, look my way. Make today my lucky day. Blue eyes looking at me. Hope you're liking what you see. Hope you're liking what you see. Right, so the only thing I would add to that, if you want to do it, it's an optional. I've got a little optional for you there. When you come out of the verse, that last line where it goes, on the first verse where it goes, but now I'm seeing you, I know this time is true. Love is really here to stay. There's a little lead up to the chorus. It's very simple. So you're on that G. It goes, love is really here to to stay. All you got to do is hit that bottom E string 3rd fret on the G, 6 strings mainly, okay? Then take off the play the open A string. Just take those 2 fingers away and hit the A string open, okay? 5th string, and then try and play that 2nd on the 5th with your finger. Okay, so if playing it at a standard G, it's right. Open A, 2nd on the B note, 2nd on the 5th, and then you're into the chorus. Okay, so last line of the verse slowly. But now that now that I've seen you, I know this time is true. Love is really here to stay. Bom bom bom. Blue eyes look my way. Make today my lucky. And then you do that again. That bom bom bom. Okay, so it's blue eyes look my way. Make today my lucky. Bom bom bom. Blue eyes look my way. And so on. So you get the idea. It's that bom 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 twice during the chorus, the one leading into it and the one in the middle of the chorus. Okay, so coming in, just to go through that once again from the end of the, let's do the first verse. Okay, it happens, and going into the chorus. Happens with spring, the bluebirds sing. Love is here again to stay. But now that I've seen you, I know it's time, it's true. Love is really here to stay. Bom 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 bom. Blue eyes look my way. Make today my lucky. Bom 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 bom. Blue eyes looking at me. Hope you like it, what you see. Hope you like it, what you see. Ba 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 ba. That's it, boys and girls. Hope you got that. See you in the next lesson for another bunch of fun. Bye for now.